Hi there! Have you noticed more and more foreclosure homes hitting the market now? We've been buying a bunch of foreclosure homes because of their built-in sweet equity from day one. If you're also interested in tapping one of these opportunities, keep watching this video. I will show you how it's done. Foreclosure properties, also called as REO, there are only two kinds, bank-owned properties and government-owned properties. Pre-foreclosure, short sale are not foreclosure properties. The deed is still on the homeowner's name, so I'm not going to explain in detail in this video. Buying a foreclosure property can be a way to snag a great deal. So here's a simple guide to help you navigate the process. First, financing. Unfortunately, you cannot get a mortgage on most homes. If the property is not livable, which is most foreclosure properties are, even though you put 50% as down payment, traditional lenders won't finance. You might consider alternatives like hard money lenders. They charge very high fee and interest. However, if the deal still makes sense after paying all those high fees, I would definitely use them. Here's a rundown most lenders will look at when making a decision. The house is not habitable or livable if the house is without kitchen or bathroom. There is fire damage to the property, problems with the hot and cold water supply, issue with drainage and toilets, and mold issues. Let's find foreclosures. Search foreclosure listing websites, local newspapers, county records, and HUD listings. Or you can attend foreclosure auctions in your area to get a sense of the process. But the easiest thing you can do is find a real estate agent which is specialized in this. Honestly, not many real estate agents are willing to work with you. Maybe they don't know how this process works, or simply they only want to work on pretty houses. So find the right agent and let them send the list to you. Now, inspect the property. Most foreclosure properties are sold as is. Drive around the property even before making an official visit. If you really like the place, consider bringing a contractor when you officially look at it, so that you know the ballpark estimate on potential repair costs and renovation needs. I personally don't buy occupied homes because I don't know who they are, and it's your responsibility to handle the people out of the property. Number 4, making an offer. You need to figure out 3 numbers: after repair value, repair and closing costs, and your profit if you're trying to fix and resell right away. I'm gonna upload a video how to figure out ARV, which is after repair value, this Thursday, so subscribe my channel and not miss the information. And if you attend the auction, arrive early and come prepared with your financing. If you have the winning bid, you will likely need to pay a deposit or even the full amount immediately. Now, close on the property. If your offer is accepted or you win an auction, you will move forward with the closing process. This involves finalizing your financing, getting title insurance, and handling any other requirements. There's a reason foreclosure properties can be cheaper. They can come with issues from structural problems to legal complications. Make sure you're comfortable with the level of risk and that you've done through due diligence. We get calls and emails every day of people just like you looking for help of buying and selling in New York, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're buying in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email so we can help you to make a smooth move to New York.